At Panino Family Dentistry, our family is proud to serve yours with the very best in dental care. But sometimes we can help you in ways you may not have thought. In our busy, connected world, it's already difficult to get a good night's rest. But for some, deep sleep is impossible because of loud snoring, either their partner's or their own. Do you know that a dentist could provide relief? First, let's talk about the cause of sleep-related breathing disorders, or SRBDs. Soft tissues near the back of the throat collapse during sleep, which partially closes the windpipe. Snoring occurs when these tissues vibrate as the air passes by. It's worse if the person is a back sleeper, as this allows the lower jaw to slip back, pushing the tongue in front of the airway. Looks can be deceiving, but the person who is snoring may not be sleeping well at all. Loud snoring is a common symptom of obstructive sleep apnea, when the upper airway is blocked to the point of significant airway disruption or no airflow at all for 10 seconds or longer. A person with this condition may wake 50 times or more per hour without realizing it. These microarousals last just long enough to allow breathing again, but they also prevent the person from getting a sound sleep. Obstructive sleep apnea is a serious issue and can lead to other health problems if you snore and you also experience excessive daytime sleepiness, irritability, poor memory or confusion, a proneness to accidents, night sweats, morning headaches, high blood pressure, or obesity. The good news is that sometimes snoring or sleep apnea can be treated with an oral appliance that holds the jaw forward during sleep. This moves the tongue away from the back of the throat, reducing the chance of it obstructing airflow. This technique is backed by a significant amount of scientific study, so it's definitely a first step to consider before more serious treatments, such as breathing machines or surgery. At Panino Family Dentistry, our approach combines decades of dental excellence with the latest in technology. Our caring doctors and staff look forward to helping you and your family keep your teeth healthy, your smile bright, and your sleep restful.